Welcome to Social Media Tips for Web Designers. My name is Katie Turner and I'm going to spend 3 minutes telling you everything you need to know about integrating social media into your organization's website. So why should web designers care about social media integration? 73% of adults who use the internet use social networking sites. Women and young people use them the most, and that means greater opportunities for e-commerce and the news industry. In fact, a 2013 study found that younger readers were more likely to spend time on a local news website and to return if the website included social media features. What do web designers need to know about social media integration? First things first, web designers need to plan for integration at the outset of their web redesign. Considering social media integration at the beginning of a redesign or new project will reduce the chances of haphazard integration later on. Include social media features in your site's architecture and demarcate space for buttons, feeds, and comment boxes in your early prototypes. Web designers need to decide early on what level of social media integration is desirable. Some sites use what I call an add-on approach to social media, in which users can share content outward through plugins, buttons, and floating toolbars. Others design with social media for deeper integration. These sites use a two-way communication model in which the site contains shareable content, but also incorporates user-generated content. Regardless of the approach, integrating social media into web design requires a mix of long-standing design processes and a thorough understanding of what your organization's goals are, in consideration of whether deep integration is necessary or desirable. The graphics above represent two communications models. The social media buttons represent a one-way communication model in which users can share outward, and the ModCloth style gallery demonstrates a two-way model in which users can both share and submit content. Designers should consider how much personalization should occur and whether it is appropriate to incorporate a social media login to aid personalization. The benefit of a social sign-in is that information about the user's preferences, interests, and aesthetic tastes can be acquired. One extreme example of the possibilities of integrating social media profiles with a personalized web experience is the Nissan Passion Genome. The site collects personal data through Facebook Connect to catalog and color code users' shared interests, likes, and demographic characteristics. Knowing the identities and interests of site users can help designers tailor their organization's online presence to meet the expectations of users and potential customers. Finally, web designers need to know how to design shareable content and when it is appropriate to prompt the user to share that content. I call my rule of thumb for designing content for sharing the cat effect. Ever wonder why cats are the subject of so many internet memes, pictures, and videos? It's because cats are curious, fascinating, entertaining, enigmatic, and particularly interesting to humans. Now you know the secrets to getting started with social media integration. Be sure to read my article, Social Media Tips for Web Designers, to get even more expert advice.